What's up, social mafia? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video you're going to learn how to choose the hot topic for your YouTube channel. Let's begin. You can see the video right here that got quite some decent amount of views, especially thinking that my YouTube channel is relatively new, and this amount of views for my YouTube channel is actually quite a lot. This video is ranking on the first page of YouTube search with some keywords like no hashtags, as well as when you search in Google and you choose the videos tab with the same keywords, my YouTube video is going to be as well on the first page, which I think is amazing results. And this video is keep gaining and gaining views every single day, which I think is amazing. And why this video performing much better than the others? There is some explanation behind this video. And the first explanation that came into my head is because before creating this video, I was actually doing what's called social listening. What exactly is that? Is that when you, in your niche, you read some relevant topics, you read some questions, some concerns, or some problems that the users have. For example, what I did before I made this video is I actually did a poll on my Instagram stories asking people what are their biggest struggles with Instagram. And the findings from this poll were that almost 90% of the people said that they struggle with hashtags or that the hashtags don't work. What else motivated me to make a video on this topic is because I'm reading and I'm a part of different subreddits on Reddit where I read some kind of struggles that people have on Instagram, and as well as I read Medium. I'm gonna list all these links in the description box so you can go ahead and check the social media platforms. So on Medium as well, I read some articles and some struggles what people have on Instagram. And my findings were as well as from Instagram stories, that was hashtags. And the third channel where I found the same issue was, of course, YouTube search. So when you type in Instagram or Instagram hashtags, you can see when you scroll down in the screen, you can see some relevant searches to your search, and you can see what actually and what else people are looking on Google. So these three components actually made me to make this video, and I think that was the case through the social listening and for making some research. This video is gaining a lot of views, which I think is amazing because it was almost in the beginning of my YouTube journey and I didn't know much about YouTube back then. But however, I just knew that I had to make research. That's what I did, and then I just filmed it and edited, uploaded on YouTube channel. But to be honest, I didn't know much about YouTube strategy and how the video is going to perform. I didn't know anything about this when I made this video. That's the theory behind the viral video, how the video can go viral is basically very simple. You just have to make research and answer the questions that people are constantly looking on and cannot find out. If you have a decent Instagram audience, make sure to ask what are the struggles that people have within your niche or in which area you specialized in. Make sure to search in trends on Google as well as in just in search bar. Make sure to check our YouTube channel as well and see if there is any gap that you can fill with your knowledge. Because I assure you that sometimes in searching some topics and there is really not enough good content about the specific topic that I'm interested in. For example, one of the topics that I was interested recently is how to create a mask in Spark AR, and I didn't find any very good tutorial about this. Some of them were in Spanish, some of them were just music behind it, no explanation at all. So what I did, I made the video myself, and it's also growing pretty steadily every single day, and I received a lot of feedback from people who already watched it and tried my tutorial how to make a virtual reality mask for Instagram stories, which I think is super cool. So make sure to fill the gap with your expertise in YouTube, and I guarantee you that your video is gonna go, will get a lot of views and your channel is gonna grow exponentially. I hope you like this video so far. Make sure to smash this like button and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet, and hit this bell button to not miss any of my videos. That is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any comments or questions, make sure to list them below in the comments. And by the way, this video was made according to the request of one of my followers. So I did it, and if there's any topic you are struggling with and you want me to make a video on this topic, make sure to list them as well in the comments, because I create content based on your requests.